Are we filming? Okay. Hi, my name is Professor Collins, and I'm concerned about the wild. Because, well, there's been strange things going on. As you can see, it looks perfectly normal. But it's not. Follow me. As you can see, we've walked a great distance. Oh, this is a tree. It's been cut down by those teenagers with their hands. They have sharp hands. I'm becoming one with nature. That's becoming one with nature. I'm here by the riverside. It's almost impossible to find these here. But if you dig deep in... What's that? Looks like I found some food. Lucky me, it's a shroom. These are one of the rarest shrooms there are. It gives you infinite power and wisdom. And I'm lucky to find it because you should look for these, but they're impossible to find. I found it because I'm Brian Palacios and I get a lot of money for this show. Moving on. Looks like we found some shrooms over here. They say that this shroom gives you magical wisdom, knowledge that is unbearable. You know what I think? Screw it. Alright. See, the thing is, everybody thinks that it's so simple to be me in the wild. But it's not, because they expect, it's not like you're going to go into the wild and see a bridge or something, You don't find that in the wild. It's not possible. You don't find roads made of gravel or something. It's all wilderness and grass, like this place. See, this place is there. Let's go that way, because it's dangerous over there. Yeah. You know what? There are bridges. But you know what? Okay. You know what the stupid guy would do? He would go through the bridge, on the bridge normal way. But no. That's the wrong way. I know what I'm talking about. You have to check for trolls. Any trolls down there? It's not the season for trolls. Then you have to do this. Lay flat across and then just... my nipples. Really hurt my nipples. I think I need Band-Aids. You might be wondering why I was in there. When you gotta take a dump, you poop in trees and you have to use bark and it hurts you. Just keep going. Sometimes it gets really hot in the places. It's okay to take a break though. My cousin Bear Grylls, yeah, it's my cousin, always tells me don't stop moving, but I don't. He doesn't know. I know better. You can take breaks, sunbathe. It's the wild. Do it.
Who's this guy? What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Why are you talking like that?
I'm filming.
Alright, see ya.
That was very close. We almost got attacked by a bear. Yeah, it did sound like a human being. Those niggas will.
See, there's a lot of snakes that roam through this desert. The truth is, snakes don't really exist. They're just made up in our minds and stuff. So, you should never believe people that say they're snake. Oh! Did you see that? Did you see that snake? I take that back. Snakes, they're dangerous. Nature, such a great thing, something that just really gets to me. The green grass, the hay in the back, and
You're the stupid prick who've been talking bad about my stuff.
and so what
Don't
if I
touch
was?
me.
You got 3
Don't
seconds.
touch me.
This is my film, man. You got 3 seconds to get out.
Oh, you're filming this.
1, 2, 3. That's what I thought. I'm gonna have to kick your butt, dude. Kick it. 3 years of Kung Fu.
14 years of martial arts.
Well, let's get to it. You're lucky you dodged my first hits. I was just warming up.
You know what? Are you constipated or something?
Yeah, maybe I am.
I'm leaving.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I'm taking the stupid camera with
No,
me.
hey, dude, don't let him put the
Get off me.
camera. Hey!
This is Brian Palacios in the Nature Show.